Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Care theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that. Then you need to click on Messenger and update Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Messenger application. Then you need to select any conversation. So I'm going to select the first one. Then you need to click on this icon in the top right. Here you need to click on theme and you need to select the Care theme. Scroll down. So scroll down again. So here you can see Care theme and then you need to select. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that Care theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.